Hello, good morning. This is the front desk. My name is Angelo Songko. How may I help you? We checked in a while ago, and the air condition is not working properly. It feels warm and uncomfortable. It's so hard to unwind. Okay, sir. We apologize about the dissatisfaction. We will fix it immediately. Can I get your name and room number, sir? This is Daniel Padilla, room number 20. Do you have any concern except the air condition, sir? And another concern, there is a fingerprint on the mirror and stray hairs in my bathroom. I apologize about the situation, sir. We offer another room for you to stay, and we upgraded it from triple to queen. And we will be giving you a free breakfast tomorrow at our hotel restaurant in exchange because of the inconvenience that you experienced during the stay at our hotel. Okay, that's good to hear. Thank you. We will immediately send a hotel personnel into your room. He will escort you to your new room. Thank you.